Hi, good morning. I'm Ruben from Specialty Appliance. Been in the appliance industry for close to 29 years, way too long. Today we're going to talk about the Bosch 800 series dishwasher. It's one of the favorites. It's actually what I have in my house right now as well. We have the pocket handle version on display here, but it also comes in a bar handle, panel ready, or an exposed handle. Some of the things I really like about the Bosch is I like the third rack. You're able to put silverware up top. You're able to put small measuring cups, cooking spoons, stuff like that up there. Gets it out of that upper rack, makes it more capacity for you. Also has the crystal dry option. Some of the previous European model dishwashers didn't really dry all that well unless you left that door closed to leave the heat in so it could contain it to dry it. The new Bosch 800 series has a crystal dry option. There's crystals underneath there. When they're exposed to moisture like steam, they actually heat up. Doesn't cost any energy, you don't have to recharge them, just a natural reaction, exothermic reaction. They heat up, which gives you kind of a heated dry option like some of the Americanized ones out there. They also moved the info light from on the ground to right here, which I think is more visible, easier to see. Please come on into Specialty Appliance. We can show you the 800 dishwasher and any other dishwashers that might fit your needs. Have a great day.